I'm Ashley, Senior Clinical Advisor from Carepatron, and I'm here to help guide you through the guided imagery scripts. So what is a guided imagery script? Guided imagery is a relaxation technique using the power of the imagination to create mental images of deep relaxation and peacefulness. It focuses on calming and positive images, often including scenery or objects that evoke comfort. During guided imagery, an individual is usually led through a visualization process with verbal cues from a therapist guide. This can reduce anxiety and stress to promote relaxation and help individuals cope with mental health challenges, even achieve self-confidence and personal growth goals. These scripts can help individuals focus their attention and imagination on peaceful images or ideas, which can slow down breathing rates, induce meditative states, and enhance mental health overall. As a result, it is commonly used by therapists and counsellors. Here's how to use guided imagery scripts. It's relatively easy, and all you have to do is input the name and date, and then read the script to the client. To view a sample script of the guided imagery script, feel free to visit carepatron.com where you can download and access the script for free. You can also access the script through our platform, simply filter by community and type in the keyword to find the note. You can also edit the script however you wish. Thanks for watching, and remember to subscribe to Carepatron if you want to view more healthcare videos.